best 5 lucky plants that are especially auspicious for 2026, the year of the fire horse. They each carry symbolic meanings in Feng Shui and are well suited for the energetic vibe of the year. Jade Plant. Why it's lucky. The jade plant is often called a money plant due to its round, coin-shaped leaves symbolizing wealth and prosperity. It supports the wood element. Plants are wood, which in 2026 helps fuel the fire element of the fire horse year, wood fire, in 5 elements theory. According to one article, it's specifically recommended among lucky plants for 2026. Placement and care tip. Place near the entrance or in the southeast wealth sector of your home, office to invite prosperity. Bright indirect light, well-draining soil. Remove dead leaves to keep the energy positive. Money tree. Why it's lucky. The money tree is frequently cited as symbolic of good fortune, wealth, and positive energy in homes and offices. Its braided trunk is thought to lock in good luck. The green leaves further boost the wood element. One prominent florist guide lists this as a recommended plant for the fire horse year. Placement and care tip. Ideal in the southeast corner, wealth corner, or east of your space. Provide bright indirect light. Allow topsoil to dry slightly between watering. Lucky bamboo. Why it's lucky. Lucky bamboo is a name-given plant, not true bamboo, that in Feng Shui is associated with balance, growth, and good fortune. Red lucky bamboo, red stalks, is especially aligned with the fire element, which matches the fire horse year's energy. The number of stalks matters, e.g., 3 for happiness, 5 for health, 8 for wealth. Placement and care tip. Place in water, clean, changed regularly, or soil. Keep in bright but indirect light. Ideal location, east or southeast area of the home. To support growth and prosperity. Snake plant. Why it's lucky. The snake plant is frequently listed in Feng Shui guides as a plant that brings good fortune and wards off negative energy. It's upright. Sword-like leaves symbolize growth and resilience, making it great for both prosperity and protection. Placement and care tip. Place it near an entrance or in a corner to help shield and uplift the space. It's very tolerant. Low to moderate light is fine. Water only when the top soil is dry. For 2026 fire horse energy, this plant's strong vertical growth can align well with dynamic, active spaces. Rubber plant. Why it's lucky. The rubber plant is cited in several Feng Shui lists as promoting wealth, abundance, and positive energy in the home. Its large, glossy leaves give a sense of fullness and vibrancy, symbolizing growth and expansion. Placement and care tip. Give it bright indirect light. Avoid harsh direct midday sun so the leaves stay glossy. Moderate watering. Allow topsoil to get a bit dry before watering again. Place it somewhere visible where its full leaves can radiate energy, e.g., living room, office corner. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about creating a beautiful and positive home, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy planting and may your homes be filled with good fortune. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.